Hey guys, welcome to another property showcase by propertycozy.com. We have here a one-of-a-kind standalone expansive home in the cool hills of Stony Hill on Fort George Road. This amazing property enjoys breathtaking views of the surrounding mountains. It comes with 5 bedrooms, 7 bathrooms, double car garage, spacious living or family area, dining area with recessed lighting, modern kitchen that is well equipped, pantry, walk-in closet, and almost everything you can dream of, plus more surprises in store. The land area of this house is approximately 10,193 square feet. Guys, let's take a look at this house and please watch the entire video for more details at the end. The asking price for this house is Jamaican 90 million or US $584,700. To purchase or make an offer, please take a look at your screen or you may visit the description area below for full details. If you like this video, please hit the like button and also share with a friend. Thanks for watching, guys.